What's up everybody, 64Disman here. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of Amiibos. Today Wave 5B came out, so that's what I'm going to be unboxing. The first one I have is Dr. Mario, Target exclusive in the US. So here he is. Ready to prescribe medication to all the sick fighters. With little steroid pills. Poise. I'm having a hard time speaking today. Just all the little details that Nintendo goes through with these Amiibos are really cool. Next up we have Zero Suit Samus. That was that red dot. Oh, I think that's the clock. The back. Again, great detail with the back. I really don't like stands, but for some of the poses I understand why. But I'm just amazed with every new Amiibo that comes out, just all the great detail that they have. Next we have Omar. Omar is one of my least favorite characters in the Smash games. Just because whenever I use him, I seem to die a lot more with him than I do any other character. But he is an Amiibo, so I get him. I like how they made the helmet really cool looking. From the top of the antenna. It's like really flexible. Now when I was reading up about the Omar Amiibo, a lot of people were saying how they thought that they weren't going to add the yellow Pikmin in the back. And a lot of people were impressed that they did. I kind of feared as much that they would add the yellow one. Just because it was on the trophy in the game. Like, this is actual plastic. Or plexiglass? Not plexi. Just great details from the button to everything. It's really cool. Next we have Ganondorf. So here's Ganondorf. Again, all the great details on these Amiibos are really cool. In the back of his cape, It's flexible, but it's like sturdy though. Gauntlet, the head. Like, they do so much detail with these amiibos. It's really cool. Next we have Bowser Jr. Toys R Us exclusive amiibo. Bowser Jr. is also one of my mains on the Wii U and 3DS Smash Brothers. So I was up early and went to the Toys R Us to get in line to get him. Because there was no way I was going to miss out on Bowser Jr. He's a really great character, I think. We're getting great details into the clown car, to his little bandana mouth. Even just the back on his shell. Again, some people were saying that he wasn't going to have the propeller, but I'm glad that they added that in. So just really good detail all in all. And today, or last, I have the 30th anniversary 8-bit classic coloring of Mario for the new Super Mario Maker. Here's the back. They don't want you to open up this back. It's like really tough. Oh, Jesus. So here's the 8-bit. I like how they have it coming out of a pipe. He's jumping out of the pipe. I like the stand right here. It's barely it's noticeable, but it's not a big notice. And the pose that he has really needs one. Oh, shit. So I just like the blockiness that they have to him, like the actual 8-bit was. This is so cool. So much detail into this. I was gonna grab the modern day one, but it's currently only in the Wii U bundle pack that comes with the system, the Super Mario Maker game, and it comes with the modern color, which is blue and red, and this classic, which is red and brown. So that's really cool. So I'm hoping that the modern color will come out individual of that pack. If not, I'll probably just get it online. So no big deal. That is it for this unboxing. If you like it, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. With that, this is 6 4 Digimon signing out.